everyone, welcome back to Compare Core, where we break down the best tech so you don't waste your money. Today, we're diving into the top gaming PCs of 2025, the ones that actually deliver insane performance without draining your wallet. We've tested power, cooling, design, and real-world gaming benchmarks to find out which ones are truly worth it this year. So sit back, grab your headset, and let's find out which beast deserves your setup. Number 1. The Alienware Aurora R16. This thing is an absolute beast for gamers who want top-tier power without the spaceship look. Alienware really nailed it this time. The R16 runs cooler, quieter, and smoother than its previous models. And that new compact design, it fits perfectly on your desk without eating up all your space. Under the hood, you can load it up with an Intel Core i9, 32 gigs of RAM, and even an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super, which means ultra settings, buttery smooth frame rates, and flawless 4K gameplay. You're also getting up to two 2TB SSDs, so storage speed is never a problem. The only downside, Alienware's proprietary parts make upgrading a bit tricky. But hey, that's the trade-off for a system that looks clean, runs silent, and performs like a monster. Starting at $1599, the Aurora R16 is perfect for gamers who want elite performance without the headache of building their own rig. Number 2. The Dell XPS 8960. Now, don't let this thing's simple office look fool you. This PC is packing some serious gaming power under the hood. The XPS 8960 might not scream gamer with RGB lights everywhere, but when it comes to performance, it's a total powerhouse. You can load it up with an Intel Core i9-12900K, a whopping 64 gigs of RAM, and even an NVIDIA RTX 4090. Yeah, the same GPU that crushes 4K games like they're nothing. Plus, it's got tons of storage with up to 2TB SSD and 2TB HDD, so you'll never run out of space for your massive game library. What I really love is how quiet and cool it runs, even during long gaming sessions. The case opens easily for quick tweaks, but yeah, it's a bit cramped inside, so upgrades can get tight. Still, if you want a powerful, reliable, and professional-looking gaming PC that won't break your wallet, the Dell XPS 8960 deserves your attention. It's low-key, it's powerful, and it just works. Number 3. The Acer Predator Orion 5000. Alright, if you're looking for a powerful gaming rig that does not destroy your wallet, this beast right here is one of the best value options of 2025. The Predator Orion 5000 packs an Intel Core i7-14700F, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX 4070 Super. That's a serious combo for smooth gaming from 1080 all the way up to 4K. You'll be able to crush titles like Baldur's Gate 3 or Total War Warhammer 3 with no problem. And if you tweak the settings a little or turn on DLSS, you're hitting that sweet 60 FPS easily. Plus, it's got a 1TB SSD, so load times are super fast. The case itself looks awesome, sleek, RGB lit, and super easy to open if you ever want to upgrade. The only downside, those fans can get a bit loud when you're pushing the system hard. But hey, that's the sound of power, right? For gamers who want top performance, clean design, and great value, the Acer Predator Orion 5000 is a total win. Number 4. The Corsair One i500. Okay, let's talk about this little beast. Don't let the size fool you. The Corsair One i500 might look like a piece of modern art with that wood front panel and fabric sides, but inside, it's an absolute powerhouse. We're talking an Intel Core i9-14900K, 32 gigs of RAM, and an RTX 4080 Super. Yeah, this thing chews through anything you throw at it. You can crank games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield to max settings and it just stays cool and quiet. That's wild for such a compact system. And honestly, it's perfect for anyone who wants monster performance without a giant tower taking up half their desk. The only real downside, it's kinda tough to upgrade and it's definitely pricey. Plus, if you ever want to change the GPU, you actually gotta send it back to Corsair. But still, if you want a premium, space-saving gaming PC that looks gorgeous and performs like a tank, the Corsair One i500 is 100% worth it. Number 5. The HP Omen 35L. Alright, this one right here is for the gamers who want power and style without going overboard. The HP Omen 35L packs some serious heat. We're talking an AMD Ryzen 7 8700G, 32 gigs of RAM, and an RTX 4080 Super. Yeah, that's a deadly combo for smooth 1440p gaming at 60 FPS or higher. Easy. What I really love about this rig is how cool and quiet it runs even under heavy load. The glass side panel gives you that clean RGB look, and the boxy, minimalistic design fits perfectly in any setup. It's not trying too hard, but it still looks premium. The best part? It's super upgradable. HP actually used standard PC parts so you can swap or upgrade anything without a hassle. Now sure, it's got a bit of weird CPU-GPU pairing and some extra software you probably won't use, but honestly, for the price and performance, this thing is a total win. If you want a rig that's powerful, quiet, and easy to upgrade, the HP Omen 35L should definitely be on your radar. Alright guys, that wraps up today's list of the best gaming PCs of 2025, the only ones worth your money. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. And hey, if you want to stay updated on the best gaming gear, PCs, and tech comparisons, make sure to subscribe to CompareCore and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Also, I want to hear from you. Which one of these PCs would you pick for your setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one of them. Thanks for watching, my friends. This is CompareCore, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay sharp, keep gaming, and peace out.